All right, guys. So as I promised, it seems like there's a few confusions. So what I'll do is I'll go through and I will do some for you, and that way you can see how it works. So for this one, we know that this is a name. Okay, so this is a name. The B is the first name, middle name, last name. So since we know it's a name, Consuego, copy. Is going to go in the first unit. Control V. B, copy, is the first name. Control V. We're going to get rid of the punctuation. And then Annette is the middle name. And that's going to go in the third unit. Okay? Last name, first name, middle name. Again, number 2, we have a name. Now, in this name, we realize that there is a hyphen, which means that this is all going to go as one. So we're going to take Kelly, Control C, copy. Okay, Kelly is the first name. And then with Lori Lee, it's all one name. And we're going to remove that hyphenation, and that's how it looks. All right, Jack T. Langsworthy, Sr. So Sr. is the title. So Jack is the first name, T is the middle, and then Langsworthy is the last name. So last name first, last name first, first name second, T will be the middle. Oops, shoot. Okay, remove the punctuation. And then the title is the last. And remove the punctuation. Okay. So this one here, a pound a day reduction salon. I'm definitely going to need that after this isolation. Ha ha ha. So a pound a day, what we're doing for this is a business. So in the first unit, Control C, we're going to put it here, Control V. Now we're going to take out this. So pound, we're going to spell out pound. We'll get rid of the hyphenation, a day, pound a day. So that goes in your first unit. Okay. Unit 2 is the reducing. And then salon, let's see. Right. So this one here, it looks like a name, but we see that it says Portraits. So it's unlikely that her last name is Portraits. So Ashley Wood Portraits, we know that this is actually going to be a company. So company means that it goes in the order. So just put this bad guy here. Okay, next one, Miss Muffet Chair Co. Again, Miss Muffet, first one, it's a company. Oops. It's a company. Okay, and in this case, I know that co stands for company, so I'm just going to spell it out. All right, so that's those ones. Let's see. Some of these are the same, so I'm not going to do those. For this one here, you're going to spell out the percentage. So 100% dairy. This one here, it would be Big Burger House, the. Okay. So for example, this is Carmen L. Murray. I will do this one for you. So we know that L. Murray is actually the whole last name. So what we're going to do is Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Oops. Oh yeah, that's right. And then we'll put L, Control C at the end. So the reason why we do this is that you'll notice in a lot of the Arab last names, L is very common. So if we filed everything by Al Mari, Al Quarry, Al Thani, it would be a large chunk, right? So we're going to remove that so that we can organize it so that we can actually find the names easier. So guys, I hope that helps. I will leave the rest to it. I am definitely here if you guys need anything.